Welcome to my channel. How to set up Wi-Fi on HP LaserJet Tank MFP 2606sdw printer, easy guide. 1. Turn on the printer. Start by turning on your HP LaserJet Tank MFP 2606sdw printer and make sure it is in a ready state with no errors showing on the panel. 2. Place printer near router. Keep the printer close to your Wi-Fi router to ensure a strong and stable wireless signal during setup. 3. Enable wireless setup mode. Press and hold the wireless button on the printer until the blue light starts blinking, which indicates the printer is in setup mode. 4. Install HP Smart App. Download and install the HP Smart App on your smartphone, laptop, or desktop. 5. Open App and add printer. Launch the HP Smart App and click on the Add Printer option to begin the setup process. 6. Select your printer. Wait for the app to search and display available printers, then select your printer from the list. 7. Connect to Wi-Fi network. Choose your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and enter the correct password to connect the printer. 8. Wait for connection. Allow a few moments for the printer to connect to the network. Do not interrupt the process. 9. Confirm wireless connection. Once connected, the wireless light on the printer will become stable, confirming a successful connection. 10. Print test page. Finally, print a test page using the HP Smart App to ensure everything is working correctly. Thanks for watching.